Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
Could you tell me what's in here real quick?
It's 2 DB12s and I think 13K. Man, you got me fucked up out.
That's all good?
Yeah, I can't even think right now.
Don't worry about it. I'll look at it when I can see the trunk real quick.
Yeah.
So you got your head unit right here.
Yeah, man.
That's different.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I couldn't change that up.
Oh, yeah.
That's my
Yeah. Wow, that looks good. What is this wired to? This is a Crescendo 13?
I think it's 1 ohm.
Okay.
I think it's 1 ohm. I don't really know. It's messed up, so I ain't even like really messing with it. I'm waiting for my team president to do it.
Okay. Bring it over here real quick.
You gonna charge the battery? Nah.
A big amp. Thank you. You have a good day.
All right, you
nice
too,
to meet
man.
you.
Sorry I didn't give you all the info.
It's all good.
Call me off guard.
It's all good.
That's what they so upset for. They broke so they gon' stress more. I keep my gun on me. Let's go. Keep my money in line. That's why I'm good with the connect for. Now I'm food in the trunk. Like I just left the pet store. It's the shoot up nigga's house. I move up the house. I fuck niggas dead mamas. Niggas seduced a couple spouses. I just blew a couple thousand. Shoes that ain't Christian Luke for my phone. Niggas ain't richer than me. I doubt that's in the streets so fire. Niggas ain't put me out yet. I shoot. I gotta teach my son now how you ever do jail. Said he got to sell a few bricks. He said that's like me telling you quit. When you the best at what you do, ain't nobody gonna get back in the state. Like I just left the pet store. Free the Brody, they got my dude up in the mountains. The shooter in his house. I moved a couple houses. Seduced a couple spouses. I just moved a couple thousand. Dudes that ain't Christian moved to come out. Niggas ain't put me out yet. I shoot the master. My spirit. Tell me. I gotta take my son now. Jail. Said he got to sell a few bricks. He said that's like me telling you quit. When you the best at what you do, ain't nobody gonna get back in the state. Like I just left the pet store. Free the Brody, they got my dude up in the mountains.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.